Let's start with the bang! My turn!
Kids, we're going to the... What in the world? My eyes!
Oops!
You don't ever think of going to the theme park! That's right, and you're grounded. Oh, hey, we can build our own theme park. Let's go!
What? Okay, our own theme park. Wow, that's amazing!
Thinness of the slide? Calculations suggest it's dangerous.
Ah, watch me slide, Brit!
No!
Whee!
Oh no, Chris!
Oh,
Brother.
felt like an earthquake.
Watch and learn. This
Okay.
is how we do it.
So much fun! Oh, balloon! I know what we can do next. Ready, sis? Whoever wins, get the money.
Okay.
Smells like a winner.
Put this on, bro.
What? Another earthquake?
This is my favorite.
3, 2, 1, go!
I have to win.
Ah!
Come on!
Piece of cake.
Huh? I have to be faster. Whoa! Useless! Wait a minute. This is pointy and sharp. I have an idea. Good thing Dad left this in the garage.
Chris! You're cheating! Not fair! There must be a way to stop him. I have an idea. Huh? Bye-bye, bro! Out and away. Oh. Whew. Ha-ha!
Did I win?
Not yet.
Huh?
Done.
What the biscuits?
Give me the money. I won. This is how much we need to build an air hockey table. I think it's too expensive. Project's cancelled. We need a cheaper plan.
What's this? What? Air hockey? This much? Ha! I can make it for free. Step aside, sis.
Oh, what's going on?
Well, watch and learn. Cocktail straw goal. Do you know how to play this? I'm a tough contender. Almost done. One last touch. Mom's bowl makes a perfect face-up circle. Ha! There you go. That's pretty awesome, Chris. Now the mallets. Catch.
Oh, wow.
Let the game begin. Ready?
3, 2, 1, start!
I'm gonna beat you. Hit the goal, baby!
Go for me too.
Yeah!
CR7777 again.
A killer goal is coming at you!
Huh? Right in the middle.
I'm the master.
I have an idea. Let's see how good you are at this one. This is gonna be brutal.
Costume for the game master and a mustache.
Ready?
Ho ho ho, girl! Listen to the rules first.
Rules?
Hit all the cops and you will get Huggy Wuggy!
Just let me shoot already. Target locked.
Don't miss your chance! Oh.
Oh, yeah! Now get ready for double trouble. Woo-hoo! Let's hit them all. Yeah!
A clean sweep. Excellent! Here is your prize. Catch it!
Woogie woogie! Oh.
Great job!
Huh? What the?
My turn.
Okay.
Hitting the goal and shooting cups is my thing.
Ho ho ho! You've missed them all, loser!
Come on! Can't believe this. Again, buddy. Don't disappoint me this time.
What a shame!
What? Useless gun. I'll take matters in my own hand.
Huh? Oh, disgusting! You used Drew?
Oops. Sorry.
You're gonna regret it! Let me reload. Oh, not big enough. My tongue hurts. Ha! Revenge is gonna happen now. Take this, loser.
No! Huh? Ha! We're safe. It's your fault.
All right.
Go and fix the light now.
Huh? Oh, how am I supposed to know that? Which one is the right switch? Let's see how lucky I am. Maybe this one. Huh? Did it work? Luck is on my side.
Brittany, help!
Oh, this loser wins something again. Coming! Huh? Chris? What is this room? It doesn't look safe here. I need to get out of here. Hurry! Huh? What is going on? Chris, open the door! Huh? Where's that loser? Oh, Chris is useless. Oh, I gotta do that myself. Just be brave, Brittany. What was that? Oh, is anybody here? I hate duck ribs. Don't like this at all. Please don't kill me. I'm not famous yet. Huh? Oh, just a shovel. And a skeleton.
I don't feel pain anymore. Or do I?
It's just a skull. Go away, ugly spider! Whoever is here, I'm not afraid of you. Oh gosh, how do I get out of here? Oh no, not now. Come on, come on, come on! Phew. Let's find the door now. Oh, what is that? Oh no, don't he die again? He's back. Come on! Huh? Huggy Wuggy? But that looks familiar. Oh, I got you. This is what I need. The power of math compels you!
Math is hurting my brain!
Sum of all prime numbers in the name of Euler!
Don't subtract me, please!
Won't protect you from sin!
Please stop! I hate trigonometry! It's me!
I knew that this was just your horrible prank.
But you were so scared!
Oh my god, I was so scared!
Anyways, how did I do with the horror room?
It's stupid and ugly. I don't want to play here.
Seriously? Okay, it will be mine then.
Have it your way. Then the slide is mine.
Slide? But wait! Stupid costume.
This is mine.
Ha! Suit yourself. Hockey is mine.
Come to think of it, this is not enough for a theme park.
I'm so hungry now.
I have an idea. It's gonna be fun.
What? Why is our kitchen table here?
Nice. It's none of your business. Let's make some room here. Now some real stuff. Property brothers have nothing on me. Hammer, drill, let's get to work. Yeah, you see that? I nailed it. Wildest spindle? Oh yeah. Color arrangement in the work. Pretty nice. What do you think, guys? Snack booth. We're open for business now.
Well. What is this?
Oh, go away. I need to make my TikTok. Let's pop it. Wow! Popcorn is ready! Ooh! Wow, beautiful! But not enough. Got it. This will do. When life gives you a lemon, make a lemonade in a slushy maker. Now, let's make frozen magic. Let it go, let it go. Ah, look at that. Looks delicious. Done. Frozen lemonade with whipped cream on top. Perfect for a hot summer day. Oh, come to mama. Yummy.
What? What is she eating?
You're jealous. It's so yummy. And I'm not sharing.
Fine, you'll just see I'll do better than that.
You can't do anything better.
I'll make something better than you. I love you, Mom, and I need your curtains to beat Britney. So far, so good. Almost done.
Oh, I'm full now. Tastes so good. Huh? What is he making? I wonder what that is.
Gonna have the coolest photos ever. Ready to pose? Action! Ew! Let's see the result. Cool, not bad, awesome. What? Stupid. Nobody should see this. Let's get rid of you. Bye-bye, ugly photo.
Whose photo is this? Chris's photo? Really? A photo booth? Oh, it's so cool. Chris looks so miserable here.
Miserable? How dare she? Give it to me.
What? You're still jealous of my booth, yeah?
Your booth? Look at my booth. You should be jealous.
Your photo booth will break down in 5 minutes. Look at this. It will stay forever.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 you too. I don't need your...
Can I try yours? Yes!
Yes!
All my favorites! We built such an amazing theme park! Wait, notification.
How could it be?
Mom?